Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn this bronzy glowy look. Along with that smoked out winged eyeliner. Stay tuned for the entire look. I will be moisturizing my face using Embryolisse Moisturizer. I will dot the moisturizer all over my face and massage it nicely into my skin. Next I will be using the e.l.f. Putty Primer to prime my face. I will cover all the areas which have open pores. Next, I'm going to color correct by using a deeper shade concealer by Too Faced. This is in the shade Golden Beige. I will conceal all the dark spots and under eye circles. I will blend it using a dense kabuki brush. Using the liquid highlighter by Iconic London, I will be highlighting all the high points of my face. I will be blending the highlighter with soft dabbing motions using my fingers. Make sure you do it really softly so that it doesn't spread much. Since we want a glowy look, I will be mixing the e.l.f. foundation with the iconic London Illuminator and apply it all over my face as foundation. Using a damp beauty blender, I will further work the foundation into my skin. Using e.l.f. Camo Concealer, I will spot highlight under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the chin and a little bit above my brows. I'm gonna blend it all using a dense kabuki brush. I will be using this bronzy highlighter by Fenty Beauty as a bronzer. So I will be placing it just on my cheekbones and using soft dabbing motion I will spread the product all over the cheekbones. Using iconic London Illuminator, I will be highlighting on the high points of my cheeks. I will blend the illuminator using soft dabbing motions on both sides. I will be setting my face using Hourglass setting powder. Make sure to blend all the lines before setting your face. I will be using a small fluffy brush for under eyes. For the rest of the face, I'll be using a fluffier brush. Using this highlighter from Tarte's Pro palette, I will be highlighting the high points of my cheeks, making a C shape. Also on the tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. Mixing the three blush shades on the same palette, I will be applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks, brushing it slightly towards backwards. Using the bronzer from the same palette, I will bronze my cheeks. So I'm going to start from the tip of my ears going towards the tip of my nose. Repeat the same on the other side of the cheek. I will also apply it on my jawline. Also on the temples of my forehead and on my forehead to make it look little shorter as I have a broad forehead. You can skip this step if you have a smaller forehead. Picking loose powder on a damp beauty blender, I will sculpt my face forming lines below my cheekbones. I will leave it as it is for a little while. Till then I will be setting the rest of my face using the same damp beauty blender. Using an angular fluffy synthetic brush, I will remove the excess powder that we had allowed to set. I will define my brows using a brow mascara. I will be prepping my eyelids for eye makeup using setting powder. I will be picking up a light purple shade from this Urban Decay palette and I will stamp this eyeshadow over the lash line. Make sure to be very close to the lash line and do not take it upwards. To create a wing, I will simply flick it on the sides. Repeat the same procedure for the other side of the eye. Make sure that the wings are equal. Picking up the lightest neutral shade, I will define the crease area of my eyes. I will be using this mascara by Estee Lauder on my lashes. Don't forget to apply it on the under eye. Picking up a neutral shade on a pencil brush, I will underline my lower lash line. Using the contour shade from Makeup Studio palette, I will contour my nose. Using this nude lip color by Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell, I will be applying it all over my lips. To add glam to the look, we will apply gloss over the lips. So this is the complete bronze makeup look paired with smoky eyes. We hope that you enjoyed the content. For more such content, follow us and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.